Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to appear offline on the Roblox, then this video is for you. So for appearing offline in Roblox, you have to go to your Roblox account, log into your Roblox account, and then you have to simply click on this gear icon. The settings are in application. You can find the settings in the bottom left side. So simply click on this gear icon and go to settings. After going to the settings, you can find a bunch of settings that can help you to customize your profile from here. Now from here, you have to simply click on this privacy and contact restrictions, where you can find the more settings categories. From among those, you have to simply click on this visibility and private servers. Simply click on that and go through the visibility, and from here, like, who can actually see your current experience. So you can set it to no one, so no one can watch your activity and no one can recognize if you are online or offline. So it will show offline, probably it won't show any green dot or online status on your account, so you can appear offline to everyone on Roblox. So that's how you can just simply appear offline in Roblox. Hope you got this. If so, then give us thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.